What we have here is a mini Inductor 2 built into a soldering station. The inductor is driven by a solenoid, and in this box we have a one-shot timer so that when we press the go button it activates the solenoid for 2.5 minutes. So that is the activator pressing on the button. The heating element is the 41-inch bearing buddy that's wrapped around a quartz tube. So that serves as our chamber or oven. The part that we're soldering has it's a brass part, and it's got a cross tube in it. There's a cross tube and a solder joint at the bottom of that cross tube. So in that location there's solder and flux placed. This slides into the heating chamber and we press go over here. Solenoid activates, timer runs for a while, and that's pretty much all there is to the process other than waiting for it to cool down. Now we're starting to see a little smoke coming out the front, which is the flux burning off as it gets to temperature. We'll go ahead and wait the full 2.5 minutes until it turns off. There we go.